lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Good morning, handsome. you doing? You should be eating your breakfast. But nope, you want all the scraps. Hello, handsome. That's a good Chisbits. Yeah, those are the good Chisbits. How's our water doing? Almost full. If I haven't told you guys before, we use pond bubblers. Actually, they're big aquarium bubblers, 2 of them in here. And there is a heater there. The water is a nice temperature. We put a 6-foot T-post into the ground as a grounding rod for the heater, because trust me, your horses can get zapped. That looks nasty, but that's Redmond salt. The horses can free choose their minerals if they want. But now they get the Redmond in their feed. So, hello, handsome. So getting their Redmond salts and Redmond Daily Gold every day in their feed is giving them all the minerals and salts and electrolytes that they need. So they've only been on the Redmond Daily Gold and the salt, the Himalayan salt and minerals for about 3 days now. So I'm not expecting to see any kind of huge improvement. Don't you just love this time of the year? I think it's like 0 degrees. I'll have to check, but my goodness, it's cold, but it's kind of the weather I like because I'm sweating under all this clothing. There's a ton of clothing. And I prefer that than trying to get cool and you're really having a hard time, especially out here. So, and there's no bugs. So we will be renting a Bobcat. We don't have one yet, and we need one with tracks versus tires. And we're going to be doing a lot of work on this property come early spring and getting all that compost out there, all that manure to compost. That'll go into big heaping piles to break down, and then we can use it and sell it because the garden beds are going in. Oh, now you're going to finish your breakfast. Okay, I get it. Door for a second. Back up. Back up. Back up, baby. Good girl. Always got a rough head. Up, baby girl. Back. 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 Good girl. Well, Miss Luna, that doesn't help anything with you being on the cord and the hose. Oh. Hey! Yeah, don't you dare! You ready, buddy? You ready to go out and have your hay? Even though you've been eating hay all night. My boy Dakota. He's the love. He's my love. Hi, you handsome guy. Oh. No stretches this morning. Gotta get you guys on your What you doing, bud? I gotta get in there and clean out Teddy's stall. Yeah, I can do it from the back though. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I can handle it. It's so cold out here that my wet hands stick to the metal, but yet I am sweating so bad, and my lips are numb. So I have to tell you, this has been an absolute game changer for me. Honestly, my entire life of horses since I was 4, we use shavings, sawdust in our stalls, and this is a run-in, so they can come and go at free will. The shavings, of course, get wet. We have cracks under the, you can see the light coming in. You know, it's just the stall floors erode after time, and we will be bringing in stone dust and bringing them back up to level. But I started buying this compressed straw. It's lighter, it's cleaner. I think it's better for composting than the sawdust. Sawdust is okay, but like the chips, the pine shavings, but so much lighter to pull out all the wet straw and remove it. So that's what I did. And then I took everything from around the perimeter, you know what? I really, those 2 words, Carl's right. I can't keep them straight. Whatever. Anyways, everything around the perimeter, I rake into the middle where they like to pee. They like a nice cushy place, and they don't want to pee outside because the ground is frozen and it splashes their legs and they don't like it. So I take, it's not the cleanest hay, and I even leave some of the poop in there. It'll get cleaned out tomorrow or the day after, but they'll come in here and they'll use this as their place to relieve themselves. And my goodness, it takes half the amount of wheelbarrows to clean it out, and it's so much lighter, so much cleaner, and a lot less stink. I will say that. You know, usually we lime and all that. Really happy with this. Truly, truly, truly. And it's $7 a bale, and a bale goes really far. And $7 for a bale of shavings. I prefer this now. Hi, Mama. No, we're not eating it yet, Mama. Are you thirsty? Okay, go get a drink, honey. Go ahead. Do you want to scratch? You're okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Feeling alone, kinda misty. Waiting now It's colder again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes